What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see, we have 3 pairs of shoes right here. As you can tell by the box, they are some Air Force One lows. We have the patent leather pack. That's what I'm calling them. That's not the official name, but I'm going to review all of these shoes in this one video. But before we get started, we're still on the road to 10K subscribers, so make sure y'all keep subscribing. And also thank y'all for watching the videos, and for y'all that's consistent, watch every video, comment on the video. I really appreciate that, so thank y'all for watching. All right, let's get started. So the first one, we have the Air Force One low Topaz gold pine green. Then I'm gonna pull them out the box as I say. I'm not a big Air Force person, but I think these are very nice. All right, next one, Air Force One low Mystic Navy Grape Ice. I think this one is my favorite one. Last but not least, we have the dark team red University Gold. These not bad either. I think it's coming out just in time for Easter too. Well, it's coming out after Easter, but this would have been a great shoe if you can get them early, wear them for Easter. So starting with the Topaz gold pine green, this is how they look. As you can see, we have that nice loud yellow gold color, patent leather. Also the swoosh is patent leather as well, pine green. I really like the green on it. Then the laces is a darker color. It's like more of a yellowish orange color. This is the back. The back has embroidered Nike Air on the back, and it's kind of in a light green. This is the bottom. Also a darker, like a yellowish orange shade on the bottom. Nothing special on the inside. It's not, the inside also is leather on the inside, but it's not the patent leather, of course. It's like this soft leather on the inside, which I do like. I like that. I kind of wish it was like a shinier leather on the inside. All right, next one, we have the dark team red. This is how it looks, like a dark burgundy color, burgundy patent leather. Then on the laces, we have that dark team red color. When Nike puts like dark team red on the box, and they name the shoe that, it's always like this burgundy color. It's never like an actual like super, like a loud red, you know? Then on the bottom, this red matches with the laces. Then we have, again, the leather orange swoosh. On the back, we have embroidered Nike Air in yellow. I don't know if I really like the yellow on this shoe. I think they could have came a little different on this shoe. Then we have the yellow also, Nike Air Force One on the tongue. You have this little tab on the tongue here. Again, nothing special on the inside. Inside is red. It has Nike Air in black. Not sure if y'all can see that. Forgot to mention, there's Nike and a swoosh on the bottom. And of course you have your Air on the midsole. I'm gonna show y'all that on the Topaz gold pine green pair. Then on the bottom, same thing. Show y'all the right shoe. Last but not least, my favorite out of the 3, the Mystic Navy a nice blue color, blue patent leather color all over the shoe. I really like this color. I think it's really nice. I don't know if I would have went green on the shoe, but I still like it. Then we have like this bluish purple, more purple. I think on the camera it'll look like super purple, but this purple Nike swoosh. Then on the back, we have this Nike Air embroidered in gray. Same color on the tongue, Nike Air. Green on the inside. Green laces, then green at the bottom. Then of course it has the Nike swoosh, then Air on the midsole. These are releasing April 9th for $120. This is a men's shoe. Definitely think it's a nice shoes. I really like it. I like the colors. I think I would have went a little bit different on the accent colors, but still very dope shoe. I would say this is my favorite out of all of them. And then I'm gonna go yellow. Then I'm gonna go the dark team red. All right, y'all, this is the patent leather pack releasing April 9th. Again, the retail price on this is $120. So if y'all like these shoes, make sure y'all go cop. I definitely would recommend if you can get them early for Easter. This is a great Easter shoe. But yep, this pretty much wraps up the review. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank y'all for watching. Still on the road to 10K. Peace.